Hello guys and welcome back. So for today, quick video, we are just going to install a shower with a shower mixer, and we have the box there, everything is included, and we are going to pass through all that as we are going to go. First of all, I'm going to install the shower mixer, which is going to be right there. For that I just bought some fast fix bracket, which are these, and it's just going to slide on. Now everything is level and is going to go nice and smooth, I think. So I'm just going to mark where exactly I will need to drill the holes, and I already done that. And now these fixings that we find it in the box are just going to go right inside there with the copper olive, and I'm just going to need to put the fixings on at the moment, the bracket. So I have here some row plugs. Like I was saying, the hole was already done, and I'm just going to insert my row plugs. Then the brackets. We have some screws here that is going to be screwed to the wall, but before that I will just need to cut my pipe. And I'm going to mark my pipe. Alright, so let's just cut the pipes. Okay, so now the fixings can go, the brackets can go in. I'm just going to screw them on. Now the copper olive is going to go in. And the other one. Need to tighten it up a little bit. Now, usually in the pack are coming these type of fixings, so you can adjust the height and leveling it, but I almost never use these. That is a lot easier to work with. You might have a hole, especially if it's going to be a cavity wall, a stud wall, and it's always good to add some silicone. In my case, I don't have to do that because the wall, it's a solid wall, and everything is filled with grout, and everything is already done. Now these are the covers that are coming with the shower mixer. Alright, so now we just need to put the shower mixer on. Easy as that. So I'm just going to take the covers out, and I should have some washers with the filter maybe. And it's going to go just like that. So these are the washers with the filter, and they are like that. Okay, that doesn't sit. And now just need to put the hot water to the left, cold water to the right. So I'm just going to insert this one quick here. Okay. So right now we just need to tighten it up a little bit. Alright, so at this point our shower mixer is on. We just need to put the shower on. Okay, so this is our shower. Is adjustable, so it's going to be adjustable up and down. We have a fixture here at the back. We just need to insert this small pipe that is at the back, and that is going to be the bracket that is going to go on the wall. We just need to put it in. And then we just need to adjust it left to right to be as level as possible, and fix this bracket to the wall. And as you can see, this bracket here has some Allen keys that is going to keep everything together. So at this moment I just need to mark, drill and fix the bar into the shower mixer. Okay, so I'm ready to drill. Raw plug in. Okay, so that is nice and level, and now I just need to tighten it up with the Allen key. Okay, you can see that at the back it's all nice and steady now, and this can be adjusted. And then you can close it down, and that's it. Now we just have to put the top side on, and it's this one here. Alright, so at this point I have the rubber washer inside, and I just have to put it on. Alright, so our adjustable shower is on with the thermostatic shower mixer, and we just need to test it out right now, see how it's going to go. But before going forward, I just forgot the shower riser and the actual shower that needs installing on also. So I will just have to take it out again and insert this one and connect the shower. Okay, so now I'm just going to connect the shower. The shower head. Now we're just going to need a rubber washer that is going to go inside there and connect our shower. Okay, so one last thing to do. We have a small screw there, and we just need to close it down, so this bar here is not going to go up and down anymore. So I will just have to tighten it up with an Allen key. And now it's all fixed. At this point we just need to put some water on and see how it's going to go. Before that, I'm just going to quickly clean all this mess, take all the dust out, and we are just going to test it. Alright, so everything is working fine. At this point I will just have to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, see you on the next one.